In this video, we are going to see how we can import the data from Excel file and convert it into Google Sheets, or how we can convert the Excel file into a Google Sheet. So let's say that for convenience or for the best sharing experience on the live files, you want to convert your Excel file into a Google Sheets. So what you can do is just open up sheets.google.com and we are going to insert a blank spreadsheet. It says untitled spreadsheet here. After that, we want to click on file. We want to click on import function right here. And here we can also choose it from Google Drive if we already have the sheets uploaded on Google Drive. But if not, we want to upload it from the computer. So in this case, we want to upload it from computer. Click on upload, click on browse. And after that, we just have to choose the file. Here, I want to convert this pivot table start file into a Google Sheet so that we can practice on this. So we have uploaded this. Just wait for a moment. It says, what do you want to do? We can replace the current spreadsheet and import it with the new data. So basically on sheet 1, it will import all of the data. Click on import and that's it. Now the Excel file is fully converted to Google Sheet. You might need to check a little formatting and make a little few adjustments related to formatting or basic stuff basically, but that's pretty much it. You can just rename that to whatever you want, pivot table practice file, hit enter, and you are good to go. After that, you check sheets.google.com. Here is your file. So that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.